Hey friends, Kip Christina Stainbrook here. My sign does not say anything right now. I'm really sorry. So we wanted to come to you. I need to fix this a little bit. What? You feel how that's like, I can't tell if I broke my mount or not. Nope, it just wasn't secure.
Wasn't tightened down.
There we go. All right, so we are sniffing today a new scent and warmer of the month. We got it in today. This is the one for October. Kip and Christina Stainbrook here. First Sense of Smell Air, Superstar Directors, Scentsy Fragrance. I smelled it already. Okay, so it's first Sniffs-ish. I opened the box because I wasn't expecting a box, and I was really surprised that this one came. So I didn't know what it was. And there we go. I should probably check my tracking numbers, and then I would learn what things were. So if you are a consultant, we get the Scent and Warmer of the Month kit, which is the scent and the warmer early, like 2 weeks early before anyone else can get it, so that we can kind of like check it out, make samples of it, make live unboxing videos that make everyone jealous. The really cool thing is that we get it for like a huge discount. Let's fix that hair. Huge discount. So it's probably one of my favorite like consultant perks is getting this kit. So this is the Warm of the Month kit. It comes with 9 bars of the fragrance of the month, a room spray, a tester for parties, and then we've got our monthly specials flyers and stickers. So all the good stuff that we need to promote the fragrance and the warmer. So first off is the scent Butter Pecan for October. And let me get the flyer out so we can actually see what the description is of this fragrance.
The fragrance description for Butter Pecan is, if fall had a flagship fragrance, this blend of candied pecan and maple folded with butter would be a strong contender.
We'll see. I'm more of like a flannel leaves kind of smell kind of girl.
So candied pecan, maple, and butter. That's what it's supposed to smell like.
Ready, set? Smells like all of those things.
Yes.
Which you guys know on our whiff box, we did smell the little sample of it that they sent. This is much stronger in the bar. If you like baked goods and food smells, this is probably going to be your new favorite smell.
Yeah.
It's extremely perfect. It's very good, gift shoppy, baked goods.
It's not, it's a calming smell. It's not too strong either.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it out of the...
Mine just like fell out.
Pop it out. Yeah.
I think it's strong. Like,
Yeah.
It'll be strong.
But it's not
Hello,
overpowering.
Janelle. Hi, Kendra. Yeah, it's really, really good for baked smells.
Yep.
Really good.
Very pecan-y and mapley.
So the warmer is Gold Leaf, which I'm really excited about. When they announced this one, I was pretty excited because we have fall warmers replacing all of our normal warmers in our house. So I like to have enough fall warmers as I do Christmas warmers so that when I switch to fall warmers, I can put all my household warmers away one time instead of having to get that storage box back out, putting more household warmers away before Christmas, because I have tons of Christmas ones. So my goal this year is to finally get enough fall warmers so that when I take all of our household warmers down, I don't have to get that box back out again until January. And this warmer is exactly what I was looking for to replace our parlor warmer downstairs for fall. And so that one will finally get to go away, and then we will have the right number of warmers to so that when Christmas comes, I can actually replace all of the fall warmers, and then I won't have to. I just like to have enough, right? Ooh, this is a pretty dish already.
Yeah.
So this is really, really pretty. I haven't seen it in person yet, but I'm really excited about it. It is kind of like a really nice coppery warmer. It's glass, and it's got leaf etchings on it. Look how pretty that is. So we're gonna turn this on for you. I think I can, isn't that so pretty? Probably one of my favorite fall warmers
This
yet.
is a good one.
I like that it goes really nicely with the leaves one we have in the kitchen.
Right.
It's kind of an invert of this. So the one in the little mini warmer we have, I don't think I got a bulb. Just being honest with you.
No bulb came in it?
I didn't get a bulb. That's okay. Oh, wait. No, it's weird. It's wrapped.
It's wrapped
It was wrapped in this. Okay, we're good. It's wrapped in that thing. I was like,
was
I
there.
have taken everything out of here. Why don't I have a bulb? So this is a 20 watt bulb, which some of these glass ones tend to be 20 watt because it just keeps the temperature a little bit lower. I'll let you dish that. Just hold on tight because I'm going to try to plug this in. It's really, really pretty though. I'm really excited, but it looks really, it looks a lot like the little mini warmer. Is that one, what is that one called? Falling Leaves, maybe? I don't remember what that one's called now. But it's just, the other one's white with kind of an orangey copper etching, and this one's coppery orange with a white etching. Okay, we might have to move the camera a little bit.
Let's see what happens.
Sorry, I'm really, just gotta be smarter than the cord. Okay. Oh, no, I think we're gonna be good.
Okay. Yep. There it is.
Look how pretty that is. I wish there was a way to like, you can tap, tap, tap.
I can close the curtains.
Oh, there we go.
You can kind of see the definition of the leaves in this. There you go.
How pretty that warmer is. And I love that the dish is kind of an orange coppery so that it glows.
It's very warm and glowy.
So the reason I wanted something like this to replace that parlor warmer was because that one gives off a lot of light, and we really like ones that give off a lot of light.
Yep.
So
And this one gives off a lot of light.
super, super pretty. It's got different shapes of leaves all around it. Yeah. There's a good,
There you go.
you can kind of see the detail. Look at that. Really, really pretty. So this one's available October 1st for all y'all fall people. There you go. Very pretty warmer. So that is October 1st, like I said. This is, what is this one called? Gold Leaf. Pretty straightforward, easy to remember. The scent is Butter Pecan. So Gold Leaf and Butter Pecan will both be 10% off in October, sorry, not August. And the warmer will be $40.50 on sale. So $40.50 on sale, and then 10% off the fragrance as well. I think that fragrance goes really well with this warmer.
It does.
Like it really makes you want to snuggle in with like a plaid blanket and the fire going, and yeah, cup of coffee, some butter pecan warming. What would you watch on TV? If that was the scene, what would you be watching on TV?
I don't know.
You're not a girl. You don't think that way.
No. Probably a Western
You'd be watching a Western.
TV show.
Yeah, I was thinking you'd say football.
Football. Yeah.
Yeah, or a Western. I would be watching You've Got Mail. Because that's what I always watch
Football would be
all the time.
perfect.
I would probably be watching You've Got Mail. Maybe Lord of the Rings. That could be a fun one to kind of binge watch. She would be watching The Holiday. Yeah, I love thinking of like my feelings based on what movies I'll probably be watching while that scene is set. So I think this with butter pecan, have some coffee, a big squishy blanket. I'd be watching You've Got Mail. He thinks he might be watching a Western or some football. Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm really, really obsessed. All right, friends. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.